here?
Where?
Can Ellie go in here?
Yeah, that's his little
Now,
crib.
what do you think of baby Elliot?
Hi, baby.
Gentle, okay? Gentle, gentle. Can you give him a kiss? That's so nice. His little hat's falling off. Put his hat back on?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a big sister now.
Show Elliot your t-shirt you have on. No, your
Not your
t-shirt,
teeth.
not your teeth, silly. What does your t-shirt say? What does your shirt say? I'm a big sister.
Oh, big sister.
Yeah, you are.
Right. Are you so excited he came out, honey?
Yeah. I put him in the cradle.
Yeah, at home?
Yeah.
Yeah. He'll probably come home tomorrow.